course you can.
We're looking forward to you coming home. Yes. Coming to Fiji.
Probably next holiday.
Are you going to come to Fiji soon, huh?
I've got a TV show, fishing, diving. Yeah, in fact, it's on Fiji. It's on there.
Welcome everyone. Thank you, Excellencies, for taking the time to come and join with us this evening and enjoy some Fijian hospitality. There's no agenda for this evening other than to enjoy ourselves and take the opportunity to speak informally for a change. There will be no 2-minute intervention for sure. Only conversation among friends. I'm sure you will have noted, as I've said, that the week of the General Assembly has become impossibly busy. It seems like there are more side events and events than we can possibly manage. But I believe that UNGA has an important role to play in creating spaces where we leaders from the Pacific and our friends from other regions can informally interact, share experiences and points of view, and of course develop kinds of relationships that will help us achieve some common objectives. And these informal gatherings are part of that. Nevertheless, please bear with me while I make a few brief announcements. I have a bit of a competition here. But many of you are aware that Fiji will become the chair of the PCIS group, where we will carry on the excellent work begun by Nauru. And one of my practical objectives is to ensure that there's very strong coordination among us on all the issues. With that in mind, Your Excellencies, as the date of our session to the chair draws near, and sometimes after our election, I will be writing to my fellow PCIS leaders about our vision. Elections to the PCIS chair and also the election back home. There's a lot of excitement back home with regards to our election. But it would have been appropriate to have a PCIS leaders meeting this week, as we had agreed at the CAP meeting this past June in Sewer, but I understand that this may not be feasible. I will be willing to be part of any PCIS leaders meeting this week to discuss the outcome of CAP as we prepare for COP24, if the leaders so agree. Fiji, I understand you also know that Fiji will soon become the chair of the World Bank Forum of Small States. And you will be aware that we have been championing better access for small island states to development financing, especially in climate resilience, ocean health and infrastructure for some time now. I hope to use this chair to help small states get the speedy and effective access to that critical financing that they need. This work will be largely coordinated out of New York. That is all for business tonight. Thank you, Your Excellencies. Please relax and enjoy our warm Pacific hospitality in this relaxed setting. No one has to talk business, of course, if they don't want to, and we look forward to further interactions with you all over the coming days. God bless you all.